Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to slide the shifter on. This is a 3-speed, so it's got a 3-speed shifter. As you can see, it just shifts. Twist shifter shifts 3 different gears. It just slides on the handlebar like that, and that's all you need to do. You can do it where the cable is on the outside. The drive side crank arm comes on the bike with the chain. The non-drive side does not. It's a square tapered crank arm. Slides on. Needs to be 180 degrees difference. One single bolt. Screws into place. Is that these come with a little mark on them at the very end. One has an R and one has an L, left and right. They also come smooth on one, shredded on the other. The right-handed side is the smooth side. Screw on forward. Everybody tries to screw them on the wrong way, but they both screw on forward and they screw on opposite. So you get them started like that. And get this one started, same thing. Screws on forward. You want to make sure these are good and snug. You don't want your pedals coming off. Now you need to remember, because they screw on forward, they unscrew backwards. And they're on really, really, really tight. And a lot of people try to take them off sometime to change up. And what they'll do is they'll try to take them off the wrong way, and then they'll tighten them more instead of loosening them up. As you can see, the lock washer's in place. I'm just holding it in the spot that it needs to be in until I get it tightened down so it'll stay there on its own. Like so. Now, I'm going to line this wheel up. At the same time, I'm going to tighten the chain. Tighten this side down. Chain tight. Both sides tight. Three-speed comes with a little pin. This pin has 2 ends. If you look at it, one end's kind of flat, one end's kind of rounded. The rounded end goes inside, and this was what makes it shift. This is your shifter. That slides on like that. And then you just tighten this nut down. Like so, and you're good to go. Now you need to put this thing in second gear. A little pin, little window right here. And if you look at the window, you'll see a little yellow dot. A little yellow dot in second gear needs to be in the center of those 2 lines. The way to get it in the center of those 2 lines is just to use your little adjustment thing right here and adjust it till it gets there. You gotta figure out which way it's gotta go. This needs to go in. As you can see, it's slowly moving.